Hi, today I want to show you this cool cable organizer. This is a few meters strip that you can cut to the needed length and put it around your cable. I've prepared a few cables to organize. Let's start with this USB cable. If you don't want it to lay around and take a lot of space, you can just bend it a few times. Take this organizer and you can cut it to needed length, and now you can store your cables in much smaller place, and when you need your cable you can just take it off, and when you are done using it you just put it back on your cable, and it is now looking much nicer and taking much less space. And you can do it with any cable. You just take your cable, take this organizer, put it around, cut more, and it is ready. And it doesn't matter if the cable is small or big. You can also take big cables, take it, put it around, cut it, and it is ready. Now your cables are taking much less space, and there are many meters of it in one roll, really cheap, and you can organize many cables with it. So it is taking a little of space, but it can save you a lot of space when you organize your cables with it, and you can use it for any cable that you need at any moment, fast, easy. And I really recommend this product. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.